Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use a liquidity pool using the REGS SDA trading pair. Open the Sidra Chain application. Then, on the Home section, scroll down a bit until you find the Positions option. Next, where it says your liquidity pools, tap on New Position. Now, you need to select a trading pair. In this case, it will be SDA with REGS. Tap Select a token in order to search for REGS. Scroll down in the Fee Tier section. Tap Show Options. By default it shows 0.3%, but it is recommended to select 1%. After setting it up, tap the Continue button. In the Set Price Range section, you must select the Custom Range option. Now, depending on the current exchange ratio on SidraDEX, you need to set a price range limit. This is important because it allows you to maximize capital efficiency and potentially increase fee earnings. Another important benefit is impermanent loss mitigation and out-of-range risk. You must now set the minimum price and the maximum price based on the current SDA REGS exchange ratio on SidraDEX. For example, if the price of 1 REGS is equal to 3 SDA, you should set the minimum price to 2.5 SDA, and the maximum price to 3.5 SDA. After setting it up, tap the Continue button. Now you must establish the amount you wish to use in the liquidity pool position. For example, if the ratio of 1 REGS is equal to 3 SDA, you divide your total available SDA by the DEX ratio of REGS. It means if you have 100 available SDA and you have 50 REGS, you divide the 100 SDA by 3, which equals 33.3, and those will be the REGS you will use. 100 SDA with 33.3 REGS. After setting it up, tap the Continue button. To prevent possible transaction failures when creating the liquidity pool position, make sure to set the slippage tolerance to 1% in order to protect you against unexpected price fluctuations during the transaction. Once you've reviewed the position summary, tap the Create Position button. Your liquidity pool position is now being created. Please wait patiently until the process is complete. Once it has been completed, tap the View My Positions button. Your liquidity pools will appear here. Now tap on the liquidity pool position you just created to view the details, such as price fluctuations and the amount of the REGS SDA pair. Fees earned from your pool position can be collected at any time. Simply tap the Collect Fees button. Before finishing the tutorial, I would like to address some questions that may arise. For example, many users have asked why the following happens when there are fluctuations in the ratio price. It has been observed that when the price of REGS increases, your SDA holdings in the liquidity pool also rise. Conversely, when the price of REGS decreases, your REGS increase in proportion to the SDA pair within the pool. This happens because, if REGS goes up, you end up with more SDA. This is not a loss, it's buying power. You can use that SDA to buy back REGS at better prices or reposition your LP for the next move. If REGS goes down, you accumulate more REGS. That's a win if you believe REGS is the best token project on Sidra. You're passively stacking a more desired asset while earning fees. So I'll share this concentrated liquidity management strategy to help you minimize impermanent loss and prevent ending up with only one asset when your position goes out of range. Number 1. Set a custom range limit. Define a narrow price range minimum and maximum for the REGS SDA pair, where you expect most trading to occur. The method is to amplify fees. By concentrating your capital, you earn a significantly higher proportion of trading fees compared to a traditional full-range position. Number 2. Monitor your liquidity pool position closely. Keep an eye on the price, particularly as it nears the upper or lower boundary of your custom range, your out-of-range limit. The method focuses on preventing inactivity. When the price moves outside your range, your liquidity converts to a single asset and ceases generating fees instantly. Number 3. Rebalance, exit and re-enter. If the price is nearing the edge of your custom range, remove your liquidity pool position and create a new one, centered around the current SidraDEX ratio price. This method is designed to maximize fee earnings. You realize any impermanent loss at the moment of collecting fees, but you immediately reposition your capital into a new active fee-generating range. Extra tip: you can use collected fees to rebalance and compensate for impermanent loss. In active liquidity provision management, the goal is to use earned fees strategically. Number 1. Fees to compensate for impermanent loss. The main objective is for the trading fees earned to cover or compensate for any impermanent loss caused by price fluctuations. Number 2. Fees for rebalancing or compounding. When exiting a position, the accumulated fees in REGS and SDA can be used to compound. Reinvest the fees into a new liquidity pool position to grow its size. Buy back, reweight. If the price movement has left you with too much of the less desired token, for example SDA, you can use the collected fees to buy back REGS, restoring your preferred balance before re-entering the pool. Another common question we've seen is this: why is my liquidity position earning only a small amount of fees? The amount of fees you collect depends on several factors. Number 1. Trading volume on SidraDEX. Your position earns fees only when people trade REGS and SDA or vice versa. The higher the trading volume on the pool, the more fees are generated for all liquidity providers. Number 2. Your share of the pool. Fees are distributed proportionally to the amount of liquidity you provide. Larger positions, more REGS plus SDA, earn more fees in absolute terms than smaller ones. However, even small positions earn rewards, and the percentage return is the same regardless of size. Number 3. Time in the pool. Fees accumulate over time. The longer you stay and the more trading activity occurs, the more you earn. Essential conclusion: providing liquidity is a long-term strategy. Even modest fee earnings add up, especially when combined with the potential appreciation of your REGS and SDA tokens and the ability to rebalance during volatility. Every bit of liquidity helps the ecosystem and rewards you proportionally. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you in the GLN's Global Telegram group, or via our official social media pages, on Facebook, X formerly Twitter, and TikTok.